In regards to getting started on YouTube, I want you guys all to not make the mistake that I've done. So I just talked to a recent ex-YouTube employee and she told me I'm approaching YouTube wrong. I'm using YouTube to be this niche channel, to be about this. And then a lot of other YouTube gurus say, oh, either you go broad, be an entertainer, or you become a niche channel and you're not gonna get any views, but you're gonna get clients. But sometimes what you're gonna realize is that when you're too niche, you're not gonna get views in the first place to get the clients. So what we're gonna approach moving forward is we're going to be a little bit more top funnel. So YouTube is geared to be a curiosity channel, not necessarily a niche channel. So 80% at least of our content will be top of funnel and entertaining, interesting curiosity around the thing that we're trying to teach. In the next couple of weeks, I'm going to form a proper module for you guys as I iron this out for myself and try new things. But what you can do in the meantime is figure out your vibe. Before you do any video, you need to have a very strong clear who you are, why people need to watch your videos in your channel. And because once they like you, they'll buy the thing that you're trying to sell. That's YouTube is there to help sell you as a person. Right? So here's how you do it. You go to Classroom, you go to the Vibe Finder here, and yeah, this is the workbook. So just go here, download this workbook over here and go through it. So this is a workshop of me going through this for Elena and another client of mine. If you just apply this, you should be getting something. And here's a follow-up ideas that I've done for the person who joined that workshop. However, if you want a personalized one-to-one with me, just follow this. But you should be able to do everything by yourself. All right, so let's do that first and let me know if you're facing any issues. Do this before you record any single video. All right, happy weekends.